Hey, I'm Bradley with Blue Cord, and I have a very particular kind of customer today. The kind that does not want his lawn messed up in any way. And what better machine for a job like that than the light footprint of my Ventrac. We're going to be taking down multiple trees on his property, and to transport that heavy material to the chipping machine, I'm going to be using the power bucket with grapple. All right, so while Omar is gone, this is the second load of chips that he's taken away from here. I'm gonna start working on these willows up here. You can see almost like a bonfire stacked around each one. So I'm gonna start bringing that material down, staging it in the driveway where he can pull in, start processing. Then we're gonna cut down the willows and bring those pieces down. Let's continue. Hope they're not here for me. That's pretty cool, right? I said it was gonna drop right here. You can see where I put those logs. I learned all of that when I was doing forestry and land management in northern Maine. I learned from some of the best professionals in the industry. So now we got to slice this up into pieces small enough that I could use to grapple. We'll haul it over and out of here.
After dozens and dozens of trips across this guy's lawn, lifting extremely heavy material, some of the logs I would estimate were well over 750 pounds, I barely bent a blade of grass. And this is exactly why he wanted me to perform this task, because he knew that I wouldn't destroy his grass. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. We have hundreds of other great videos on this channel. Thanks so much for spending this time with me today, and we'll see you in the next video.